Hey guys, welcome to another video. This could be a What's on? Oh yeah. This could be a malfunction. A train's just gone past, and there's nothing due, so we think it's a malfunction.
It will be. Look, the last time I checked, the train got buried. Why would we say that? And look, this is that.
It's a malfunction, guys.
I don't know yet. New Haven Harbour did this the other day as well. Coming off again.
You better not go down for like 9 minutes.
I'm such a shame. I'm really sorry.
No, we'll be fine. Quick, it'll take us about 10 minutes. We'll be fine. Yeah.
Oh, it's going to rain. Right, we're not down for 140 or 36 or whatever it was. Just that's at Polegate, and it's probably just like about identical Polegate as that left. So there's no way we're staying down.
Well, at the moment, this has probably been down about a minute.
3 minutes has been down for.
No, we're
staying down for another time.
Oh!
It's saying that you didn't even left when he kept it down. Why did you take it down? We're going three-way pass. And if we're not lucky, a bloody 4-way pass.
Yeah, that's screw it. It's 45 minutes past now. Do not stop, otherwise I will literally flip.
This should be the one goal.
Literally flip.
Oh, hello. And she's going right through.
Right, let's try and get 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh god, I'm going to be double pass instantly. Right, go now. We get really lucky with time. I should tell that service. 377 446.
377 446.
And we're staying down from 371.
Oh god. And we're staying.
Stand back and turn away.
Younger than that.
Well, they've got it down for 4 times.
I will probably cry.
Freight train madness. Wave now, wave now. 176.
1726. And up the go. Thank you guys. See you next video.